Hey, Restoration Dream lovers, welcome back to Restoration Dreams at the James Fry House. Yeah, there's nobody, he's always with me. Okay, so I want to show off the door. Oh goodness. Hmm. Oh, too bright. Well, I can't tell you how many man hours I've got into it and still how many remain because it's gone sub-freezing in Arkansas, so good rule of thumb is if it's cold enough to wear a sweater, then it's too cold to be applying products like polyurethane. So, like this board only has one coat of polyurethane, and I'm so frustrating close to finishing the project. But until it gets warmer, I can't use polyurethane and stuff I need. And still haven't got the veneer for my middle panel window there. But on the bright side, I do have my door in place. Yahoo! Like seriously, what a challenge that's been. Rich and I managed to hang it, and you can open, but it is with that stuff going on. And yeah, because we use these. Oh, I can't see. You can't see them on this side, but oh, there. My beautiful, beautiful reproduction hinges. Yeah. Do you know how heavy this door is? And just how much hassle it was to rehang. Thanks, Rich. Seriously, lots of swear words went on that day. But now, finally, after so long, I have a functioning front door. And one day, when things are going right in my life, I can take this ugly metal screen off. That will be after I move in, and I cannot give you a date on that because everything's gone to shit. Sorry. Still waiting on the Arkansas Licensing Contractors Board to get back to me on a dispute resolution. I'd like to find a resolution to my dispute. Until then, I'm now applying for a job with the city, so hopefully I get some paid employment. That aside, I put curtains in my big windows so people can't see in my house because I'm going to be working somewhere else in the near future. I'm just going to show you this. This is like a new future project. What I'm hoping to do is the curtains. Ooh, they're pretty. I don't know if you can see this. That's sharp. But there's a big crack all the way across this window, all the way. So this whole pane, I have a replacement pane of glass for this window. What I'm hoping to do is take this glass out and cut it to fit the one around the corner. Waste not, want not. And people go mad about the original old glass. It was wavy, a big thrill. It's also paper thin and rattles and can smash and blah. Is there a good example here? I really thought there would be. Gosh, has it been so long since I've worked on this that this is it. It has. It's been so long that I've worked on it. I think I replaced this pane of glass. I do. I think this particular pane is a new one that I put in because of the putty right here. Anyway, I replaced bunches of panes of glass. This one, absolutely I did. Oh my god. I haven't worked on windows in so long. Anyway, waffle. Point is, yes, on weekends it looks like I'm going to be back here working because, yes, I've had to do something else to get money, to get a loan to finish everything. But I do have a front door and it's really handsome. It's really, really handsome. I absolutely love it. So I don't know, I just take a look at that front door. Isn't it gorgeous? I think so. Okay, so this is Trey, Restoration Dreams, signing off. For a while, probably. But my door's almost finished. Thanks, everybody.